What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, I'm super excited to be making this video because you're kind of in control at this point. I just finished everything I needed to do on my Tacoma except for one thing that I'm taking care of today. If you don't know, after you do an install on your Tacoma, as far as a lift kit, you have to go back through after around 500 miles and re-torque everything just to be safe, just due to, you know, new components, and they may just get loose just to being new. I don't know why the exact reason is. But if a professional does it, well, I'm gonna go through and do it again. After I finish that, we got the alignment, we got the lift kit, we got the retorque, we're done with the lift kit so far. Now, I have a question. As you can tell from the title of this video, I'm completely stumped. I don't know what the next modifications are. Now, at any given time, at any given day, I have companies reaching out to me telling me to review their product. Now, I don't know if I should just say yes to everybody's products and kind of review them for you guys, or just purchase them on my own. I don't like reviewing other companies' products that they send them to me for free because, one, if it sucks, I feel bad throwing them under the bus. But I feel even worse telling you guys, hey, this is a great product, buy it, you know, just to help out that company. I think I'm gonna stray away from that unless you guys want me to do that. If you want me to, let me know. But today's video, we're gonna be talking about the top 5. This is 10. We're gonna be talking about the top 5 next mods that I wanna do. You gotta let me know down below if you think I'm heading on the right track or if there's anything I missed that I should do. So let's talk about it. Speaking of which, I think something just got delivered. Alright, cool. So, you may think I'm crazy, you may not know what this is, but these go on the headrest, like right here, on the back of the Tacoma, so that if I'm ever in the back seat of my truck, yeah, Sandy thought it was dumb as well, but I'm sure I'll use it eventually. It's kind of just like an inside cosmetic. I don't know, I was on Amazon, I saw it. Now onto the real list. One thing on my list that should have been done like 2 days after I bought it, if not from the factory, and that's window tint. So I've been looking everywhere. I promise you, everywhere. I can go into my Facebook messages, onto my emails. I've reached out to everybody in Virginia to do some window tinting, and no one is available. I got one yes, and that yes is 3 months away. I mean, how even, right? How even? And I don't understand how they could be so busy, but I don't know. Anyways, number 1 is window tint. I'm pretty sure everyone's gonna agree with this. Also, I don't know if I want to go with an illegal amount or the legal amount, because the legal amount I think I already have on my truck, but I want it more tinted. So, number 2. This one I'm kind of iffy about, and this is one of the things that one of the companies was willing to send out to me, but I don't know if I'm gonna go with those. Now, the ones they were sending to me are very functional. Rob Motive has some, and I saw that he got a scar with the ones that he had, and that's what I thought would happen. And, well, it did, and he seems a lot smarter than I, and I'm a clumsy person. There's some shins to be damaged there, so I think I'm gonna stay away from those. I may get some rock sliders instead, just since I'm already trying to be off-roady-ish. I may just get those just to save myself the money, but I do also want functional ones since Sandy sometimes struggles to get inside the truck. Number 3, this one is a must. Yesterday I was actually driving down the road and some guy's LEDs were so bright. I could not believe it. And that's what I need. I need some LED headlights. And I keep telling you guys, I get like 2 or 3 recommendations and I look them up and then they're like $200 just for some LED headlights. I don't know, is that reasonable? Am I just trying to lowball it here? I don't know. Also, Sandy's car needs them, so probably coming to a video very, very soon. Hear me out. This one is a little weird. I know, it's kind of dumb. But if you can't tell, I'm not the most normal person, and I kind of want Underglow for the truck. I kind of do, I kind of don't, but I really do. Now, the only problem with it is whenever I turn on my truck now, the battery seems like it's about to absolutely shit. I don't want that to happen. So I may just wait until I get a better battery. Then once I get a better battery, then I'll put the Underglow underneath the trucks. I'm gonna show you guys some examples of what it looks like now. I think it looks super, super cool, but should I? Cause then, I mean, it would be a cool video for you guys, but they're also very illegal on public roads. So unless I'm like at a Chick-fil-A, I wanna, you know, flex, maybe, or at a mall, I don't know. Let me know. What do you guys think? I think it would be cool, but I also think it kind of looks a little childish and not very mature. It varies, so it's like 60 to like 150 bucks. So the price isn't a problem. The installation is. I'm very scared to deal with anything wiring related. Then the final thing that I'm going to do to this truck is go complete psycho off-road, and I'm saving that stuff for last because I know it's going to be the most expensive, and then I would just wrap it up with a supercharger. So off-roady stuff, what do I mean, and why would I wrap it up with a supercharger? Off-roady stuff is going to get expensive and heavy, so I'm talking a bed rack. Maybe I saw Rob Moda's video and it kind of made me want to get away from it, to be honest, but some type of, you know, off-roading gear holder, if that makes sense. I see that they have those little shelves that go inside of the bed. That takes up my utility of the actual bed, so I don't know if I want to do that. I want to have a shovel. I think it's so cool when people have shovels on the back of the truck. Like, that guy is definitely using his shovel right after the Walmart trip, like, no doubt. The mud boards, a lot of people call them different names. I just consider them mud boards, snowboards. The thing that you put underneath the tire to get better traction. You know exactly what I'm talking about. You're going to be like, oh, you're so dumb. This is the name of it in the comment section. So, I just got you to comment. Reverse psychology. Let's go. I want to put undercoating on the truck. Not undercoating as in paint, but actual under armor on the truck, so that if I hit a rock, my gas tank doesn't absolutely explode. And then I would have to wrap it up with the supercharger or re-gear the truck to get that power to the wheels, because I don't want to be going 20 up a hill, which is my driveway. My driveway is a little hill, and well, I don't want to be struggling because that would be embarrassing. But let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you have any other suggestions, anything I missed, please let me know. These will be linked down below because this is legit my new favorite thing that I have on my truck. So please leave me any comments, any suggestions. It's been your boy. I'm out of like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.